My name is Patrick McCloskey. I'm doing level 3 carpentering journey at North Regional College, Korean. I came to North Regional College after leaving school, and I always wanted to do woodwork because I started doing woodwork when I was young age and just was always interested and wanted to do things with my hands. I've just qualified for WorldSkills UK, and it's a massive competition. I'm really looking forward to take place. The run up to WorldSkills, I had to do 2-hour competitions to get there. The first one I'd done in Newton Abbey, I won it, and the second one I did in Belfast Met, and I came second. And there are 2 hard competitions to do. Going to WorldSkills UK, I'll have to build something under 3 days, and it'll be hard and a lot of pressure. At WorldSkills UK, they look for your neatness in your drawing and your cutting and your accuracy and all the work you have to do through it. I've been doing a lot of extra drawing and things in glass, like cutting and marking out and whatnot, and been coming in extra evenings and stuff to prepare for the WorldSkills, and Ian and Tutor can help me along through it, and my classmates as well. I'm doing my apprenticeship with Dan Mullen, and I've learned a lot from Dan and from the skills I've learned from them. Hopefully I'll be fit to carry them on for WorldSkills UK final. I've learned loads of things from my employer, like wee tricks and tips and things, like how to speed up and where to pick up my accuracy and all that there. The skills I've learned at college has helped me massively, and hopefully they'll help me in WorldSkills UK and further in life. College has helped me a lot through like how to do a lot of things. I was coming in here with basic training from my employer and stuff where I just start out. The college has helped me how to do hang doors and mark out roofs and everything like that there, and Ian's helped me learn lots of things since I started coming here.
Patrick is a very capable, confident young man, and I wish him all the very best at the WorldSkills UK, and I'm very proud of him and all he has achieved to date.